feel like I'm riding a goddamn horse. This thing's fire. You see this? Ah! Duck, man.
Let's take it up. Well, I mean, you can still have a fry. Right? Let's go, baby. The swing on.
Damn, look at these clouds, man. I need to get going. Yeah, baby. Some good music and a good ride. Woo!
Yes, hello. How are you? Good, thank you, man. I just want to ride around a bit.
Okay, yeah, it's fine, yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah, but the cost is 72 bucks, yeah.
72.
Yeah, so you need to go to the
What's the yearly fee? Oh, shit. Sure, 72 bucks just for a ride. I don't know. Thank you. Shop. Oh, these guys are so nice. 70 bucks. Should have come tomorrow, man.
It's not too deep, I hope. Woo! Damn, that was dodgy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Trying to turn, I don't turn. If I fall, yeah, I'm getting up and I'm gonna go back home, like nothing happened, and then I'll cry. No.
Take it up. I wish I would do it if I could. Yeah. It's gonna rain in the next 2 hours.
You're the
our life today. Woo! With that woo-woo thing. What a time, man. What a time. I love this bike. F***ing hell, it can do everything, dude. You can go 170 on the highway. You can ride these 4x4 right through the water. Who cares? You can do almost anything. Woo! Slow down, motherfucker. Look at that shit. I want to take it from this angle. I'm scared of stupid beat there. Come on, don't stop. That's the trick. Whoa! Look at that shit. I almost slipped over the f***ing rock. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one, baby. This is the best non-$70 I've ever spent. Woo! Let's go, baby! There's a picnic and braai spot over there, and there's a FM Tower picnic site. Let's go check that one. That one's further, I think. Woo! Let's go! Oh! Ooh, a little mud. I'm scared of the mud. I won't lie. Ah! Fuck, man. I'm freaking folding the door. Woo, there's mist coming up here, baby.
Let's go have a look at this house. Man, this is a dream house. But anyway, dream location, not the house. Alright, check it out. Look how thick this wall is. Holy shit. Must be sandstone. I'm not sure. No, it looks like normal bricks actually. Oh, but there's some sandstone. What on earth is this? Is this your drum? Well, I mean, you can still have a braai. Right? Yeah, you can still have a braai. I mean, that's all that matters, as long as you can braai. You don't have to sleep over.
Dang! Okay, that was rough, but we are good. What's going on here? More cars here. Oh my god, look at this erosion. Woo! What a challenge! I love it! Let's go! And it's getting cold and misty out here, man. This is a movie. Oh! Okay, here's that tower, baby. I wonder if we can go right up to the tower. What does this mean? I can't remember what it means. Okay, there's an alarm here and shit. Damn, there's some. Look at this shit that's mounted. It's being fired. Listen to this. What the? Okay, either way, let's get out of here. Woo! Baby, what a day! I just need a coffee and a beer. Let's go! I don't even know this road, so I should actually be careful. Never been here. I've been to Paarl Mountains, but I haven't been on this particular road. It's a bit rough on the Suzuki Desire, which is not a 4x4 at all. Oh! Ooh, slow down. That was a bit bad. Damn! Now these rocks look pretty damn big, but they are nothing compared to the big Paarl Mountain rock. Damn! Oh, this is rough. Okay, this is getting a bit dangerous. Oh! That! Okay, this is getting quite... Guys, thank you so much. Oh!
I'm kind of worried here. Oh! Yeah, see, I'm slipping. Bam! I'm glad I took that slope.
Oh. I feel like I'm riding a goddamn horse. Ah, there's a stop sign! Thank you, thank you, thank you.